In our day-to-day life, we use a wide variety of applications to perform various different tasks, whether it be watching YouTube or TikToks, listening to music, or watching Netflix. It all gets done in just a few taps on our screen. But have you ever wondered how such an app works or how you can create such an application? Well, let today be the day. I'll help you get started with the development of Android applications. And trust me, it's really easy. Before getting into any of the coding part, we need to know about a few things. When you open any Android application, what you are presented with is a screen or a frame with different elements placed inside it. This screen or frame is known as an activity. It basically provides a base for the rest of your UI to be placed on it. Each and every screen in an Android application is hosted by an activity. But there are times when you might need to display a screen within another screen. This is where fragments come into play. As the name suggests, it is a fragment or a part of an activity. It's basically a reusable UI component which was introduced during the emergence of a larger screen such as tablets. It was meant to be used to create multi-screen UI. Activities and fragments together are the key components of building any UI in Android. Since they are the base of any Android application, let's actually study them in detail. Activity. It is an application component which has its own life cycle hosted by the OS. What is a life cycle, you might be wondering? And no, it has nothing to do with the life cycle of a frog or a butterfly, but it's quite similar. Life cycle of an activity starts with the onCreate method and ends at onDestroy method. These are basically lifecycle callbacks that allow an activity to know that a state has changed. That is, the system is creating, stopping, or resuming an activity, or destroying the process in which the activity resides. Now let's take a look at the fragments. Fragment is a lightweight UI component. It cannot exist on its own. It requires a frame or a container to be displayed in and an activity hosting it. A cool thing about fragments is that it can be nested, unlike the activity. That is, you can place a fragment inside another fragment. Its life cycle depends on the life cycle of the activity hosting it.